What's up, everybody? Fernando here from Evolve SF.
What's the plan?
I'm going to show you a quick video of this past weekend. We were asked to help out for the Treasure Fest, the art area. Doug Rhodes and I created these panels so the artists that we brought along could do some live painting. We were able to pop up and show some of our art and merchandise.
In the house.
We're here doing some live painting as well. It was a great event. It's every last weekend of the month and it's really fun. Come check us out next time. We'll be continuing to paint on these panels, and we even had some live screen printing as well. There's a lot of entertainment going on during this festival, and here are the pretty much finished product of the live painting that we created for the event.
Because I'm gonna have to take them first to the storage.